No. Get a bird! Get it!
Go get it!
Get a bird!
Diesel, go! I got one! Hey, I got the one right here. Hey, Diesel! Austin, did you get that one or did I?
I don't know.
I can't turn the cameras on yet. It's too dark. Austin is still loading the gun.
I shot still. Go down.
Yeah, I hit one landed.
Go, Diesel!
Find it.
You hit that bird or did I? Those aren't ours.
Well, didn't Dustin have one land like right here in the dike?
But that's not ours. Duke is on ours. It's died. What did you get? Somebody else got ours. There's that one too, Austin. If you want to try and get Diesel on that one, that's already in.
Where? Diesel. Good bird. I'm gonna go help Duke knock this one out. Okay? Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Get him, boy, get him. Find him, find him. Where is he? Get him. Find him, boy, find him. Alive. He's alive. Get him, get him. Get him, get him. Get him, Diesel, get him. Diver. Get him. You're gonna go. Get him, Diesel, get him. Where is he? Watch! Watch! Where is he? Where is he? Get him! Get him! Oh fuck, that was sweet as shit.
I literally freaking dickhole.
Gonna spray everything off now.
You had to spray everything off it. Coming right at us.
Shoot him! Shoot him, Troy! Shoot him! What does he have? 3 inch?
Get it, Kylie! Good job. Good shot! That was. Here we go, right here, right here.
Go! Go finish him, go finish him.
I can't, my waders aren't good enough.
I'll get it then. Did he get it? Lisa, come on.
He's out there.
Oh, like that guy.
We'll be out of hair by the end of this trip.
I'm about to switch to the sides, goddammit.
Out front. 4 out. 4.
You coming?
Tyler, I literally have to be right here.
Honey.
I can't see
Boat moving. I only had 2 in.
Damn it, I called those ones and I only have one shell in.
I had 2 shells in still. Right. We'll finish it. Bring it over here and Austin will have you finish it.
Who got it?
I think Austin.
I think Austin got this one.
No, I mean, what dog got it?
Oh, Diesel.
Okay, good point.
Yeah, Diesel got. Look like Diesel got that one. Tyler, you finish it. Good boy, Diesel.
Sweet camo?
You can do it. Chicken.
Right there.
More out, more out, more out!
Finish it.
I am. Oh, never mind. It's like bleeding out of his eyes.
So they can still move.
Come on over here.
They do the shit moment.
Where's that boat at?
I hear somewhere over here.
Gosh, boat, keep coming.
You hear a boat?
Yeah.
Over there?
I think I
I
got
don't
it.
know where it's at.
Oh yeah, that's definitely gone.
Take off.
20 bucks and those redheads right here. Two up front.
Whoa!
20 bucks and those redheads right here. Two up front.
Whoa!
You get that one at a dime.
I know. We'll take a look at it and see where we're shot at.
Get him, Diesel, get him! I almost got pelted, Dustin!
Just look at those feathers, bro.
I got the link recording, I hope!
The Sunday come out because I know then they'll start coming this way.
Don't get all confused. Go, oh shit, we're supposed to be headed this way.
Hey, Austin, how many you got over there?
Ian's got 2, I got 3.
What?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You might be wrong. Is it a G? No. Don't tell me it's a ring. Yeah, bring that fucking book over here.
I had a feeling that it was it because I seen the dead giveaway.
Can you
I'm
tell
like, that's
DWR
bullshit.
when we exit here, we're gonna tell DWR that they need to start banning fucking ruddy ducks.
What are you talking about? They got 12 million of attacks from. How did they not freaking shoot a net and catch at least 4?
Hey, come here.
God, if it was me, I'd start putting double bans.
Is that a rare fish?
a rare fish?
Fish?
Wow.
Very done.
Austin, apparently we're fishing. Yeah, compared to what Tyler just said.
Dude, hey,
He asked if I had a rare fish.
I thought we were baptizing today.
how'd you get that back on there?
That's a different ring. Well, I made it a special ring for him.
Why didn't you just get a binder one?
Mom made us they
Why
were.
Yeah, but why didn't you just get a giant binder ring? Like with those kind that said the binders, you just pull them out.
Because it would be the hole punch it for when to fit.
Okay, yeah, and
Not binder, right.
That is.
look at the color in the head versus the fucking juvenile on the regular. Stupid.
Got the same. Because they don't have
Easy.
that. 26.
Do you hear that?
Like 26. They'll don't match.
Ow!
Corners
They're
are done.
sharp!
For fuck's sake. You're pissing me off. Let me do it.
How'd that finger taste?
Kind of bloody.
Tell me that bill matches.
Yeah, that's not fair.
Okay, well, give me a second.
One more
Hey,
thing.
get the fuck out of here. Oh, there it
You
is.
get away.
There it is. In my dreams.
Give me the book.
Yeah, that's definitely in your dreams.
Bitch.
That's a
It's
golden,
scary.
right? Yeah, tell me I'm wrong, bitch. Tell me I'm wrong.
That
It's
cannot.
juvenile.
No.
This color
Look
is
at the
not-
date on the
Color's
juvenile
not right.
dates.
Yeah, the color.
The juvenile dates. Check them. 25 or 22. Check them again.
Fuck. God damn it.
Here, on the page, look for- Oops, sorry. This looks sick.
22. If you read it backwards, it'd be the same, I guess.
It has golden eyes.
Oh, fuck. Feather fell out and scared the shit out of me.
Whoa,
Yeah,
look at the links. Kiss my ass.
Let me see. Let me see. Let me see the. Let me see the head.
Told you.
Can't shoot him right now.
You can do shoot
It
'em.
was a joke. Calm down, everybody.
You
They're not
have
even
shit
here yet.
jokes.
Cops have a restriction, but they're not here yet.
Juvenile. Then when I dropped out there, I hit.
No, it's covered.
Recommend you ain't coming over here again, boy. Oh, your wad's falling over here.
So I took a picture of that spot already with my camera, and I can't
Here
tell.
comes Duke to cuss you out.
No, but there's another one.
I already took a picture of that bump right there, and I can't.
The second one out, though. Further one.
I can't see what it is, the close one. So why would I see what the further one is?
Oh.
Dustin, we walk him halfway, then tell him to keep walking.
Huh?
We get halfway out there with him, then tell him to get walking.
What do you mean?
Yeah.
Oh, tell him to get the fuck out there. Tell him to fall in.
Come on, dude.
If you get close to it, it looks like a bird. See if you can like point at it and tell Duke out.
Okay.
Good luck.
Good luck, have fun.
You gotta go past that log.
Ah, shit, my swan.
That's juvenile. Juvenile detention for you.
Oh, there's one. Come on, two.
It's a coon.
Nope. Oh, shoot. Oh, God. Get it, Dustin.
I'm not gonna waste my ammo.
Ouch!
I'm not gonna waste my ammo.
Diesel!
There you go.
Diesel! 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 Diesel, come on! Really? Should
No,
I
you don't.
Dude, I tried to aim so I miss it. Who shot the second time? Okay, you're living it out. Get out, fuck out of here.
That's a coon. That don't count. Diesel.
That one's identifying as a...
Diesel out there! Get a bird!
Yeah, get a bird. Damn it, I guess that's gonna be it. I was kidding, I seen his mom like, fuck, I better kill him.
Pretty sure its legs are fucked up.
Stop touching it! Feathers coming on you.
That was funny. Ooh, wounded. Hurry up, get that one in the water, it's still alive.
I don't have ammo.
Get him, dude.
Good shot.
Got him!